Hello there, welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to create the code for this problem statement. And this problem statement is quite easy. I want you to solve this. I will recommend you to solve this problem first. Please do it because if you will solve the problems by yourself first, then definitely your problem solving will improve. So I want you to create this code. And if you will not be able to do this, then I'm here to solve it. But please try it by yourself first, because if you will create the code by yourself, then definitely you will get the confidence to create the problems or to create the logics for problems, and you will get immense joy and pleasure after creating a specific code by yourself or by applying your own mind. So please try it. Please try. Okay, I hope you have tried it. So let's read the problem statement now. Create a function which takes a string as the parameter, and this function creates a new string from parameter string. Okay, so basically we just need to create a function in which we are accepting a string as the parameter, and the function is responsible for creating a new string following these conditions. So let's see what are these conditions. So let's assume that we are having a string. I need to take an example. So we are having a string abcdea so this is the string that we have. So this is the parameter string. Remember this. This is the parameter string that we are receiving from the user. And I hope you already know what is the meaning of parameters and arguments. Like if you are creating a function, let's say this is the function. And in this function, whatever you are writing, this is known as parameter. This is parameter string. I hope it is clear, because many students and many people are saying these are the arguments, these are the arguments, but actually these are not the arguments. These are the parameters. The values that you pass from the main function or somewhere else, those are the arguments. So I hope this thing is clear. So this is the parameter string, and we'll have to create a new string from it. So if the letter is A, so currently we are on this character. If the letter is A, is capital letter A or small letter A, then concatenate small letter A to the returning string and skip two characters. So we need to prepare the returning string. So as this is the returning string, just assume that this is the parameter string, and this is result string or returning string, you can say that. Result string or returning string, whatever it is. So just concatenate A to the returning string. So we have concatenated it, and skip two characters. So currently we are on the A. Now we have to skip two characters, so we will skip B and C. Now we are on character D. Again we have to check from this condition if the letter is A or A. No, because we are having D now, or we are on D character. So we have to check all these conditions. If the letter is B or B, no, because B is not same as D. If the letter is C or C, no. If any other character, just skip the character. So as these three conditions are not same, so we have to skip the character. So we will skip it. We will not be concatenating this D to our result string. Okay. Now we are on the E character. Again, we have to check these three conditions. Is E equal to A? No. Is E same as B? No. Is E same as C? No. So at the end we have to skip that character. So we will skip E. Again, we are on A character, this character. Now, if the letter is A or A, small letter or capital letter A, yes, then concatenate A to the resulting string and skip two characters. So we have to concatenate A and we have to skip the two characters. So B and A would be skipped, and we are on B now, or on the last character. At the end, if the letter is A or A, currently we are on B character, remember this. So is it same as A or A? No. Is it same as B? Yes, it is same as small letter b. So we will concatenate this small letter b to the result string and skip three characters. So as there is no character, so we cannot skip anymore, and this would be our resulting string. So I hope the logic is clear. I hope that the problem statement is clear to you. Now you would be able to create the code for it. It is not a rocket science. You just need to iterate on that complete string, and you will have to retrieve each character. And after retrieving or after getting each character, you just need to apply three or four if conditions. And according to each if condition, you will have to create the logic. So let's create the logic of it in Java programming language. So let's go to the command prompt So we are here cd backslash hacko backslash java. Okay, let me zoom in first. And 11. Okay, notepad, what should be the name of the file? Let's say example 2.java. Yeah, so here we are having this file. Let me zoom in this one. And class let's say PSP. I'm just creating as an example. Let's leave it. So public static void main string AA, and from this let's create that function. So public static string, because we are going to return a string, so string function 1, and let's take a string as the parameter, string str. Okay, so we have to call that function from this function, main function. And I have kept this function as static because if we want to call this function from the same class, or if you will try to call a non-static function from a static function, then it is not possible in Java. You will have to call a static function from a static function, but you can only call static function from a static function. That's why I have kept it as static. So string str is equal to, let's say, a b b or whatever. Just give many numbers or many characters like this, a b c e r whatever. So we have created a string, and now we are going to print that what our function will return. So function 1 str. Okay, so whatever we are passing from here, it is an argument, and whatever uh, the function is receiving, it is the parameter. Okay, now as we need to traverse on that complete string, so we have to apply a for loop, while loop, or whatever loop you want. So int I is equal to 0, I is less than str dot length. It will give the length of string, and we have to traverse from the zeroth character. So that's as the string is zero indexed, so zero based indexed, so that's why we have to start from the zeroth index. Now we will compare, or I will create this code or logic according to the instructions given to us, so that you would also be able to understand. So here we are having these three conditions. So if letter means str.char add, we are going to traverse on each character one by one. So currently we are on the zeroth character. After the iteration, first iteration, we would be on the first character. So like that, we are going to use it. So str.char at I is equal to capital letter A, or str.char at I is equal to small letter a, then do something. Else if we are applying else if, because if any condition is true, then no, don't go in any other condition, or don't check any other condition. So str.char at I is equal to, let's copy that one because I just don't want to waste your time. So let's copy this one, and at the end we just need to give a else, and before that else if, and else if. Okay, so here we are having four different conditions, three conditions. The last one is the else. So if str.char at I is equal to or character is equal to a, then we have to, or before this for loop, I will take a string, result string. Result is equal to empty string, and okay, if a character is equal to a capital or small letter, then we have to concatenate a to small letter a to the result string. So we have done it. Now if the character is equal to capital letter b or small letter b, then, oh sorry, we have to do two things. First one is to concatenate the a with the resulting string, result. And the second thing that we need to do is skip two characters. So we can skip two characters by increasing the value of I. So I plus equal to 2. Now we are here. I will not be telling you that how we have skipped the two characters. You will definitely have some doubt related to it, but you should have to figure it out. Okay, now str dot caret I, if the character is equal to b, then we have to concatenate b with the str, and we have to skip three characters, so I plus equal to 3. After that, if the character is equal to c, then we have to concatenate small letter c with the result string. Sorry, I had just given str. I just forgot that I have taken result string as result. Okay, is equal to C. I have concatenated small letter c into it, and I plus equal to 4, because we have to skip 4 characters. Okay, and at the end, if none of this condition is true, then it will definitely go to else, or just leave this else. We don't want it. It will automatically be skipped. And at the end, we just need to return the result string. Return result. Now let's check this example. Example 2.java, and Java C, Java C, I think PSP. Sorry, Java PSP. I forgot. Okay, so we are having ABA as the output. So let's figure out that is it correct or not. So let me zoom in. So ABC, BE, DE or whatever. So as we are having A as the first character, so according to the rule, if the character is A, then skip two characters. So definitely these two characters would be skipped, and we are on the B then. So A would be concatenated in the result string. Okay. Then we are having B. So as we are having B, so B would be concatenated. So AB would be inside the result string, and three characters would be skipped. Now we are on the this on the E character, and as E is not part of ABC, so that's why E, S, D, S, F, S would be skipped. All these characters would be skipped because these are not ABC. And then we are having A. So as we are having A, so it is this first condition would be evaluated as true, and definitely this a small letter a would be concatenated into the result string, and the now we are having aba in the result string, and two characters after a would be skipped, so bc would be skipped, and we are on the e character. So e I r are not part of abc, and that's why we are having the result string as aba. So our logic is completely correct, and you can try it, you can do this. If you are having any problem related to it, you can comment it out, and if you think that is there is any problem in this code, then you can also comment it. So I hope this thing is clear. Please try to create this code by yourself. Just don't copy it and run it in your computer, because it will not improve your logic building. Thank you.